this video, we're going to look at how to create a pivot chart from a pivot table. Considering that I have a pivot table in my spreadsheet. Have a look at our previous video how to create a pivot table. We need first to click inside the pivot table. Clicking inside the pivot table will create new tabs at the top known as Pivot Table Analyze and Design. We need to use the Pivot Table Analyze. Then we're going to select Pivot Chart. Excel will create set of different charts for us to select from. We're gonna choose the first one, or even we can look at the line chart. Now, this is how my line chart looks like. I have the options to look at certain month, certain store. I can look, for example, on Birmingham. It shows me the sales across different months for Birmingham. I can compare between two sites, for example, Birmingham and Liverpool. Now I can see how my sales are going through every single month in my stores. All the output of the chart depends on the settings of my pivot table. My pivot table has store and month as the main variables. Having different variables can create different types of output of pivot chart. I can even change the chart. The pivot chart can be changed according to a certain output or design formatting. You can change the colors that you want, or I can simply change the chart type. This is a simple way of creating pivot chart from pivot table. We are going to have an advanced video on how to create a dynamic charts and what we call slicers to create a dynamic dashboards. This is Tech Skills channel.